How to hide your WhatsApp status from someone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your WhatsApp status from someone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here, once you're inside this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on status. And now here, in this section under who can see my status, you have to select my contact accepts option. And now here, once you have selected that, you can just tap on edit option just under that option. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and select the contact that you want to hide your status from. And now here, once you have selected that, you can just tap on the tick icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you have done that, your WhatsApp status will now be visible to all of your contacts except the person that you have selected. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.